Escape with someone you love to Penn Hills, a couples resort designed for couples just like you. Penn Hills is nestled in the beautiful Pocono Mountains, where you can enjoy your favorite outdoor activities, from golf to tennis, or just soak up the beauty with your special someone. There's no place like Penn Hills, so come enjoy the romance of Penn Hills, a couples resort in the Pocono Mountains. For reservations, call 1-800-233-8240.
In today's video, I fly my drone over the Penn Hills Resort that's located in the Pocono Mountains of Pennsylvania.